Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cheesecake popsicles. First, ensure your cream cheese is softened to room temperature for a smooth mixture. Combine the cream cheese, powdered sugar, and a splash of vanilla extract in a bowl. Mix until it's light and fluffy. Next, prepare your graham cracker crumbs for the delicious outer coating. This initial setup is key for perfect popsicles. Now, let's get those popsicles shaped. Take small portions of your cheesecake mixture and roll them into smooth, bite-sized balls. Aim for consistency so they freeze evenly. Carefully insert a popsicle stick into the center of each ball, making sure it's secure. Arrange them on your prepared baking sheet and pop them into the freezer. 2 hours should be enough to firm them up nicely. Time for the fun part, dipping and decorating. Melt your favorite chocolate in a microwave or double boiler until smooth. Dip each frozen cheesecake pop into the melted chocolate, ensuring a full, even coating. Work quickly, as the cold popsicles will set the chocolate fast. Before the chocolate hardens, sprinkle on your graham cracker crumbs, sprinkles, or any other desired toppings. Get creative. Once your cheesecake popsicles are decorated, let the chocolate fully set. This usually takes about 15 minutes at room temperature, or you can speed it up in the fridge. These delightful treats are perfect for parties or a sweet snack anytime. Store any uneaten pops in an airtight container in the freezer for up to 2 weeks. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.